back into another vlog. Today we're gonna be doing a chill, girly day, or whatever I title this video, but it's basically chill, self-care day, because I'm gonna be kind of like cleaning my room and also painting my nails and just tend to me. So, because since today is my birthday month, so my birthday month is coming right around the corner, so I'm happy about that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell to be notified when we post a video, and comment down below birthday month or birthday if you guys made it this far in the video. And let's get into this video right quick. So today I'm be doing reorganizing my closet vlog. So right now my brother's doing smoothies. Yes, you girls not making smoothies today, but you still love me. But hold on, let me get some light in here because it's dark in here. When I go there, it's dark. But when I go here, it's light. But I'm gonna be organizing my closet from now. Let's try tackle it from top to bottom because my purses need to be organized, my shirts need to be organized, dresses and stuff, and then my pants need to be organized. Well, my pants part's kind of organized, but I also gotta do my shoes. So this is gonna be a whole day process. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start taking out all my stuff, as you see with me. Take that. So good.
Bye.
Bye.
No, my hair is not for me.
Okay. Well, you're my shot, so yeah, my shot.
I'm grab my dog.
Grab your dog. So taking my clothes out. So I'm gonna set you guys down while you watch me organize it. Organize this out because right now we're in fall season and I need to kind of like put my summer clothes, but keep a few shirts out so I can at least have like shirts to wear just on day basis. Or should I start with my purse first? Okay, cleared. But now I gotta kind of like this over here if I can reach. So I just let me clean this out. I'm probably gonna tackle this in a bit in sections. So I'm gonna start with first is okay, what do you want to organize the color scheme? From darks to lights or lights to darks? Well, I've tried lights and darks, so I'm gonna try to switch it the other way. So it's gonna be dark to light. Instead of like sectioning them off for jackets parts and all that stuff, I'm gonna put them all together, like all blacks and all whites and colors and stuff. So I'm gonna try to do all that. There's a loose hanger. This could not be one for you guys, but it's what? Oh, this is gonna be like a two-way wire. So this in there, that goes over there. Mostly it's been like a clean day actually, so mostly today's been like clean, kind of like feeling more refreshed vibe. So basically everyone in the house has been clean mostly. I think we're just trying to feel like more like feel more pepped and have like more good energy and stuff. I mean, like, why not? It's like fall is coming, you want to get on fall mood, you want to be more like energy and feel more vibe and stuff. Oh, this is Grace. Oh, yeah, Grace comes first. How are you guys doing? Like, how's your like day going? Are you guys having fun? Are you enjoying it? If you're not enjoying it, comment down below. Oh, how your day's going? Or comment down below if your closet is a hot mess like mine's, or is it tight? Mine's is starting to get tight now. Hello. Got my smoothie.
Fine.
This is good. Smoothie break. It's actually really good. Like whatever it tastes. Okay, my brother make a good smoothie. Okay, back to work. How do you give yourself a small break? I just do. Put you there, and we're finished. See? Nothing hard to organize your clothes. It's also the best time to declutter. You get rid of clothes that you don't wear, or you're not gonna be wearing as much, or you don't have wear in a while. So you just start like decluttering that part. I did that previously before, like way before I got rid of clothes. This is some of the clothes I just bought. You seen my last video, so go check it out. I'll link that down in the description box, my shopping haul / vlog video. I'll link that down. I really don't want the shoes. We can probably do it tomorrow. Yeah, we might do that tomorrow. I'll do the skirts. Look at all my hangers. See all these hangers? You see these hangers? No, like, y'all haven't seen these hangers. You see these hangers? They all used to be filled, well, at least not that much. At least that much right here, a handful of these, used to have no clothes on them. All these have clothes on them, so I did a pretty good job. Slim down stuff. Even down here, I got rid of stuff right here. And I did get rid of some skirts. At least I donated them. I donated all clothes. Because for the other ones that had holes and rips and like tears in them, they was like no good to even wear. Don't want to do the shoes right now. But I do gotta do my skirts, so I'm gonna probably do that. So you guys can see more close up. There, so you can see me do it. Comment down below if you guys like to prefer to wear skirts or if you prefer to wear shorts. Me, I'm more of a skirts person, but as you can see, I'm wearing shorts right now. But I'm more of a skirts person, but it's too cold for wearing shorts and skirts. But if it's left up to me, I would wear skirts and dresses 24/7 because I used to try to do that all the time. But then I'm like, yeah, you can't be wearing skirts because you're going to freeze. And I used to get sick too. Oh. Well, that kind of fix these skirts so it's going to be more presentable, so I can just see my display instead of all of it being crunched up over here like this. Hey, this one's finished. Oh, I forgot to tell you in that one part of my haul. I forgot this. I didn't even post the video. I also got this cute beanie from Five Below, and I also got this cute kind of scarf that is like sewed together, like a little turtleneck thing that goes like this, like goes over your neck. From Five Below also. So yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that. And I got room for more growth of adding my skirts. Like who else will want a whole collection of skirts? I'm probably not a collection of skirts, I'm more of a shoes person. Okay, I did, I think I probably showed you guys a little bit of, I organized my tops and skirts on my closet. I'm gonna take my shower, I'm gonna come back and probably do my nails, cause I know that's one thing I really love to do for myself is to paint my nails, either do my dye thing, and also clean my room because it's kind of back a hot mess again. I don't know why. I cleaned it up and it's going to stay clean for a while, but then it comes back as a hot mess. So I'm going to go ahead and take a shower. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, kitties, before we get started doing the self-care routine, or not self-care routine, but self-care part, like doing my nails or grease my scalp or like wash my face or moisturizing it, let's do the roll of the day. So this is what I've been doing for every single time on my vlogs since I started probably the other day. I'm gonna do a roll of the day. So then I'm gonna use this ball and I'm gonna toss it in the air instead of throwing it on the ground because that might damage the floor. It might hit me in the face, but it's worth it. I'm gonna go sit you guys down. Toss this up in the air, wherever it lands on. Yeah, wherever it lands on, like something like this, or like facing like this, or towards. If it's facing towards me, that's the thing we're doing of the day. So ready? You ready? Go. Nope, not today. What does that mean? I think it's more a nope, not today mood. Like say someone wants you to like they want you to do something for them and it's like you're like nope, not today. Today's me day, so basically that's what I'm probably getting from it. I'm getting from it is nope, not today is a me day. So when someone asks you to do something, well, sometimes you guys still do it, but if it's like a day for you to be self-care or get back to yourself, you're gonna be saying to yourself, nope, not today. Or when someone would be like mean to you or something like that, and they just start being like, nope, not today, I'm not gonna get angry with you, you're gonna go like that. Okay guys, so the word or the role of the day is nope, not today. So that's the word, that's the role of the day. So let's get started. Well, it's okay because like keep the nail polish on either way. All you gotta do is put some Miracle nail. It helps with your nail growth, so just gonna put like little slitter on top. So basically guys, I've been feeling more like kind of like selfie or kind of like feeling more chill. So that's why I've been like mostly, if you see my vlogs, I've been more like chill and talking like guys. I don't know, I've been like I can't talk. I've been more relaxed right now, so like it's like right now I've been like wanting to be like more girly because I really like, I do miss my nails because I haven't been painting my nails. I painted my nails the other day, don't get me wrong, but I haven't been painting my nails. I haven't been doing anything towards me like self-worth or something like that. So well, I have been doing little stuff. I've been working on myself, but as to like girly stuff or kind of like be in my feminine zone, I haven't really done that much stuff. So I'm going to take you guys on a journey, or not journey. So that's what I'm doing today is paint my nails. I'm going to also moisturize my face because my face needs it the most. Because seriously, my nails are still peeling. Like, it's not peeling as bad as it was before. It's starting to tame a little bit after I put that coffee on my face because now we're giving the moisture I needed. But before, honey, that was not a good look. Also, I made kind of like this rose water. I might comment down below if you guys want me to tell you guys how I made my rose water. So I'm probably gonna go in with this dark purple nail polish and some of this gold glitter from LA Color. So this Kiss Gel nail polish and this LA Color glitter, and to top coat it off, the base coat and top coat. Well, since I already put this Miracle thing on, I don't really need the base coat for this part, so I'm just gonna put the top coat when this is all finished and drying. So yeah, I've been doing like a lot of stuff. Did I tell you guys about yeah, I did a self-care, kind of do that, because I love taking baths because my baths is like good for me. I've also been wanting to watch a lot of TV shows too. Comment down below what shows you guys want me to watch, or that give me any kind of suggestions I should watch, because I'm about to be like over all my shows because I already watched Supernatural. I'm on my second time watching it. So comment down below what shows I can watch. I did hear about that one show called You coming out, that new episode of You coming out, but I'm kind of like iffy about watching that. Yeah, purple does look good on my skin too. Silver, purple, not gold with, well, if I use these gold flakes, yeah, they're good, but if I had like full gold nail, it's not good for my skin. White, ombre of gold, or not gold, silver and white, that looks perfect on my skin. I think even rose gold looks good on my skin too. And yes, you saw me put the nail polish on my desk. It's okay because my desk has like a bunch of colors. They're not gonna mess up. I might have to repaint this desk anyway, so don't judge. catch you back when my nails are finished drying. Well, that's it for the vlog, cuties. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like. And don't forget also to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.